How's it going, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to be replacing the switch on for the power seats. A couple of functions were working, others weren't. We've determined that there's most likely going to be the problem of the switch. The only way to really diagnose it is to have another switch to hook up to it to see if that's the problem. I didn't have a spare one on hand, so I had to order one online. So we're going to get that installed and see if that fixes the issue. So you're going to get this apart right here. It pops right off. Just stick a screwdriver in behind this, and then there's going to be a clip in behind here, and I'll have an image up here on the screen of what you're going to be looking for inside of there. Flathead screwdriver, and then you'll be able to get this off. You just stick it behind here and it just pops off. It just clips on there. So we're going to get here and get this clip out. Okay. There it is. Clip just pulls right out. And then this will pop off. Don't just leave this setting around. Go ahead and put this right back on. Clip back in place. And then it'll hold there until you're ready to put it back on. Set that aside, grab a hold of this thing. Now I'm pretty sure that there's a tool that you can slide in behind here, kind of like you can on your manual door cranks. I just don't know if that's going to work. I don't have the tool, so I'm just doing this barehanded. If it breaks, it breaks. Now one side's good, but the other side broke off a little bit. Remember, do this at your own risk. I'm not a professional, but that did break on me. Of course, this is just plastic. I kind of halfway expected it to, you know. Oh well. Now I'm gonna get this off right here. This one's a little bit easier to get off because it does just pop on there, but it is plastic, so there is a potential for breaking. All right, came off without breaking. I was about as pleased as a whore on a $100 night. Okay, so now we got to get this bolt out of here. I'll take my 7mm. You don't have to have a drill, but I just prefer to use one. Don't lose the screw. Okay. I'm going to get this off. And it clips in back here as well. Should be able to just slide that right off there. Give me some slack. There we go. Now I can flip this over. Okay, first thing, we're gonna get this clip off of here. Oh, I can't reach it, so I'm gonna have to get it out. A little bit of pressure there, a little bit there. That side coming out. A little stubborn, but not a big deal. Okay, let me just grab that clip, get a good hold on it, and it slides right off. There it is. So that's off there. Now I'm replacing it with this one. Now I got this off of Amazon for about 17 bucks. This is for a 2007 to 2013 Silverado, GMC Sierra, or Yukon. If this is one you're needing, I'll leave a link to this product down in the description if you need to get one to replace the one you have. So let's get it back in here. And first thing we're going to do is we're going to test it, see if it goes forward or back. Oh, there we go. We're in business now. Hallelujah. There we go. All right, now we know it works. We're going to get it in there. Just pops right in. Okay, so we're just going to slide it in over this. Make sure that clips in the right spot. This backside can be a little tricky. Okay. All right, we got that. Now we're going to take our screw. Put it back in. Oh, I don't even know if I'm hitting the hole. There we go. Okay. Where it is? There it is. Okay. And this should just pop right back on there. There we go. That's fine. And this will pop right on here. And then this pops right back into there. Boom. Now all we got to do is take this clip, slide her down in there, and there we go. All functions working like a charm. Well, thanks for watching the video. If this helped you out, leave a like down below. Be sure to subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell notification. That way you'll be able to get notified on the next video. I'll see you guys later.